ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashpi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Dr. Wan Wairoy Kharlukhi ubami khamat ya ka jilna Meghalaya komu MP shaka Rajya Sabha haga Sautarik ubanai rempang arajar arpuar ula Pynsngew hapo ka yeng dorbar thaan jong ka Rajya Sabha halor ka jingdawa jong ki pajba nong shong shnong ka jilna Meghalaya baka sarkar ka daiban Ithuh no ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo da ka ba penrung hapo ka kharnit ka ba phra jong ka ritis nshar kari India. Dr. Kharlukhi ula ongru bagani ke jilna Meghalaya kabala kinjo ya ke jingdap san posnem ha ke jingyo ya ke jilna bapura kala yak sait nado ki snem baladep ban penyo jing Ithuh ya ke Ktien Khasi bat Garo khnang bakan long ke jing mento ya ki pajba nong shok snong ke jilna Meghalaya barok ke wei
Northeast schedule please.
Well, my state, Meghalaya, had already celebrated 50 years of statehood, sir, on the 21st of January, 2022. Sir, Meghalaya comprises of two ethnic groups, Khasi, Jaintia, and the Garos, who speak different languages. But the sad part is, sir, that in spite of the demand made by the people, and a resolution was passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, nothing was done, sir. Today, we are a state of 50 years, but without a recognized language. Sir, I appreciate your wishes that you used to express in this august house in favor of having members expressing themselves in the house in their own language. Sir, I take this opportunity to request you, through your good office, sir, to impress upon the government that though 50 years we are a state without a language,
right,
but at least on attaining 50 years of statehood, the government may recognize us by including the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anwar Ji.